Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to Tokyo Penguin Kitchen. I'm going to make egg pickles. What is egg pickles? We are going to prepare 4 items. First, soy sauce. The second, the sweet sake. And third, garlic. And last, the most important, raw eggs. Egg pickles is best match with the white rice. Now when you put the egg pickles on white rice, don't eat? That's heaven, so yummy. So why not making the egg pickles? Let's go! I'm going to make 2 types of egg pickles. As using the butter is going to be very nice. It's orange type. Let's start making the normal one. The fucking easy. Okay, protein shaker, the soy sauce into here, 100 sweet sake, 100, and pouring here, pouring. Now we have yolks and the proteins, white eggs. I'm going to divide white to yolks smoothly. Yep, yolks. It's beautiful, beautiful yolks. Yes. Don't break yolks. Don't break. Smoothly. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Okay. You know, Japanese yolks, no, Japanese eggs are really fresh. You can eat it, but raw. Yeah, finally, yolks, just yolks, and just white garlics. Grate the garlic like this. Yeah, smells very garlic. Good. And here it's very tiny into it. Very low fire. Here we go. Yes, butters. When the butters melted, you can finish the boiling. Yeah, coming soon. I'll taste. It tastes like devil. So as you can see, this is not hot. This is hot. Just put this yolk into here. So 3 pieces of yolks I transfer here like this. Here we go. I broke 1 yolk. Oh. Okay. Yes. Okay. And I'm going to put this on the refrigerator. Here like this. Yes, the weight. I want it to be cold. Yes. It becomes cold. So I'm going to transfer yolks to here. Not broke this time. Yes. Into refrigerator again. Egg pickles, the first, the normal one. They're on the white rice. just eat very good. And next, butter one. Yes. I like this one. Mixing butter and yolk and soy sauce. It's the best taste. So if you like to try make this one, just put yolks into the soy sauce and wait one day, and that's all. If you like this channel, please subscribe it. See you.